Welcome back. Before we get started, I'd love to share a little insight into the artwork you're about to see come to life. This painting is shaped by memories of travels, first to the Puglia region of Italy, where traditional Trulli houses sit quietly among winding streets. Staying in one of those stone dwellings left a lasting impression. Their almost storybook presence brings a sense of mystery and adventure that finds its way into this scene. The palette draws from another journey altogether, inspired by the Maldives and the vivid blues and greens of its water. Those colours stay with you long after leaving, and are what shaped the tones and mood of this very painting. Watercolour becomes the bridge between these memories, its luminous washes, soft transitions, and gentle nostalgia echoing places explored and memories felt. With each layer, the quiet magic of wandering settles back onto the page, allowing these experiences to come alive again in the artwork. After watching the full video, I hope you will feel inspired to create your own artworks, shaped by your personal experiences and fond memories. If you're looking for even more inspiration, Watercolor Dreamscapes is my new book, and it's filled with 20 full scene illustrations you can paint. Each project includes color swatches and complete step-by-step instructions, along with a sketch template at the back of the book so you can focus purely on painting. You won't need any drawing experience. It's designed to build your confidence while guiding you through meaningful, imaginative scenes. The book is available now in all good bookstores. I also want to say a big thank you to everyone who has already purchased the book. Your support is greatly appreciated. Thank you.